So, last week, the standard Google Pixel 9 was leaked in two hands-on videos, and now it's the Pixel 9 Pro XL's turn. The Pixel 9 Pro XL was spotted on TikTok today in two short videos. The first video compares it to the smaller Pixel 9, while the second video shows the Pixel 9 Pro XL next to Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, providing a clear comparison of the upcoming Pixel's size relative to Samsung's flagship. Google is set to unveil the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold on August 13th, an event that is happening 2 months earlier than usual. This early launch might be an attempt to curb leaks, though it doesn't seem to be working. The Pixel 9 follows the Pixel 8, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL follows the Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 9 Pro will feature the same internals as the Pro XL, but in a smaller form factor. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold succeeds the original Pixel Fold. This lineup showcases Google's strategy for this year. French news outlet, D-Labs magazine, has provided details on the pricing of these upcoming Google smartphones. The prices, listed in euros for the local market, indicate a price increase for the main Pixel models, the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 9 starts at €899 for the 128GB model, which is €100 more than the Pixel 8's 128GB version from last year. The 256GB version is priced at €999, up from €859 for the equivalent Pixel 8 model. The Pixel 9 Pro, priced at €1,099 for the 128GB version, remains similar to last year's Pixel 8 Pro in this storage tier. However, the 256GB and 512GB versions of the Pixel 9 Pro are more expensive than their 2023 counterparts. This year, Google is releasing 3 standard Pixel 9 models, plus a foldable variant. The Pixel 9 Pro will have the expected upgraded specs, but will retain the smaller size of the Pixel 9. To get Pro specs in a larger form factor, similar to the Pixel 8 Pro, you'll need to opt for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, starting at €1,199. This price maintains the €100 premium over the Pixel 8 Pro, mirroring the price increase of the Pixel 9 over the Pixel 8. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will start at €1,899 for the 128GB model, with the 256GB model priced at €2,029. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 9 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.